Good morning, class. So I got a bunch of course messages late last night about people having issues accessing the book or accessing the quizzes. So I have decided to make a very quick tutorial video. This is the front page of our course. You want to go over and click Access Book. And this is our textbook. You can either click Read Now or Reveal Access Code. You want to reveal access code, copy the code. Then you want to go back. Click on one of the assignments. So let's do Chapter 1 here. Chapter 1 video quiz. And then this is where you would have... okay, so I don't know why it got cut off there, but this is where you would go ahead and it'll ask you to create an account, use your EPCC email address, and use your access code that you got from the process I just showed you. So it shouldn't be too difficult. If you run into further problems, it's most likely that you do not have third-party cookies enabled on your browser. Each browser is different, but a quick Google search can tell you how to enable those cookies. Of course, Google Chrome has a different way than Safari or Internet Explorer, but it's relatively simple and straightforward, and with a quick Google search, I'm sure you can find clear instructions on that. So I hope this helps everybody, and have a great rest of your weekend.